So we start out today's video with some hula hoops. So they are spray painting these. Looks like they're going to be making some type of shelving with this design. Wow, this person is all about the detailing. I would have never thought to paint the brackets. Oh, wow, very nice. Wow, they came out absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So we already saw the end result for this next one. They're going to be doing a home sign. Very cool. So many different ways that you can play around with making your own. I think that this looks so cute. Love the flowers. Very nice. All right, so then we move on to the next project. Looks like some more shelving here. Oh, wow. She's adding in a mirror, some paper palm leaves. Very creative design. Oh, I love this. Very cool. Okay, now this next project looks like it has a lot going on. Oh, wow, I never would have guessed that that's what that was. I had no idea when she started the video what you were, what she was going to be making, but wow, that is really cool. Definitely a lot of work though. And this looks like it might be a DIY for like a table tray. Well, she did 2 layers of the wooden circles. Very interesting. Usually I see like 1 with these projects. Oh, that's nice. I love how she used like a little wooden surface at the bottom. That is really cool. It really brings in that natural element to the project. And I always think it's fun to bring a little bit of the outdoors indoors. It just looks so rustic and just natural. I don't know, I just love it. So we have some little styrofoam balls here, different sizes. She's cutting them in half. So she's doing 3 different sizes. No idea what she's making. Gluing it to some type of carton. Oh, spray painting it pink. Kind of reminds me of bubble gum. And the different size circles, and oh, it's a makeup holder. That's cute. Still reminds me of bubble gum though. Very fun project. That'd be a very easy one to replicate too. Alright, so we have someone adding some vines or greenery to this mirror. This is also another like easy, simple project. Nothing too complicated. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY projects. If you did, please be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.